Bye bye highlighter. Bye bye contouring. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilki and in this video I'm going to do the makeup in a reverse makeup challenge, and basically I will do everything in the opposite order. Most of the times I start applying primer at the beginning of my video, and for this challenge I will apply it at the end of the video. That's so confusing. I'm super excited about this video because it is a collaboration with Lizzie from Lizzie's Dose of Beauty, and I will link her video down below. Lizzie is very sweet, and in her videos she's always using products that I also want to get. Watching her videos is bad for my bank account. Don't forget to check her video too. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the challenge. For this makeup challenge, I need a lot of coffee. It is so hot today. I am always finishing my makeup looks with lipstick, so I am starting with a lipstick that I always pair with my eye look. That's so weird. And I will use the matte lipstick by Essence in the color Pink Up Your Life. I love this color for the summer. I also love how creamy this lipstick is. Surprisingly, it wasn't very easy to apply lipstick without foundation. For some reason, it was not very smooth around my lip line. So before I do my lipstick, I always do my eyes. For today's makeup look, I want to use the Flamingo palette. I have also done a review about it. I will have the video here so you can see how you can use this in the correct way. I have also done swatches for all of the eyeshadows, and I explained to you the colors and the formula of each eyeshadow. So, but before I start with eyeshadows, I always do mascara. So I will use the Super Curl Volume Mascara by Essence, and this is Eye Opening. This is a new mascara, just want to see how it works on my lashes. I always start with my bottom lashes, so now I will start with the upper lashes. And I always start with the bottom lashes, so I have minimum smudges and mistakes. Oh my god, I like this mascara. I never like this type of wounds that they are very spiky and plastic bristles. I don't like them. And you have also recommended me some mascaras, so I also want to use those. I love this mascara. You can use this every day, I think. If you just want a little bit of mascara, this is great. And after that, I will do my lower lash line. This mascara is not very volumizing, but I like that it separates the lashes very well and it defines them and they don't look spidery. The left side, it is always so difficult. Let's continue with these fabulous eyeshadows. I will do everything in a reverse, so I'm going to start with the inner corner. With a pencil brush by Sigma, this is number E30. I will take eyeshadow Pineapple and I will apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, ooh, that looks fantastic with no primer on the eyes. That looks super shimmery and intense. I like this eyeshadow. After that, I will apply eyeshadow on my eyelid. I always leave it at the end of my makeup look because the way that my crease is, when I start blending my crease colors and I have my eyelid color on, I also blend my eyelid color and I lose the intensity. Now I'm going to apply it. Yes. Yes. I will take eyeshadow Bikini, which is a lilac shimmery eyeshadow with brush 239 by MAC. Ooh, that looks very nice. No primer. And you can see also all of my veins. That looks a disaster. I should have done my lower lash line first. The end result will not change because, you know, it is the lower lash line. But I will apply Bikini on my right eye so I can just cover my veins a little bit. I think it is sticking very well on my eye cream. I'm using Eye Reach by Clinique as always. So I will take Coral and I will apply it on my lower lash line with a smudging brush by Essence. Dun, 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 dun. This eyeshadow is also visible without primer. It's not very intense, but this is how this eyeshadow is. And without concealer, my eyes look irritated. Beautiful! With brush 221 by Zoeva, I will take again eyeshadow Coral and I will apply it into my crease, closer to my eyelid, like I always do. My eyebrows are getting very stubborn these days. Whatever I use, it is like they want to go downwards and they are driving me nuts. I'm thinking about testing some brow products by Benefit. I'm trying not to touch my lashes. Oh, I did that. I have fallout. Oh well. And you know what happens after I apply my eyeshadows? It is so hot. I have all these lights in front of me. I'm going to die doing the makeup challenge in reverse. With the same brush, I will take eyeshadow Lemonade. And this color is very beautiful for crease color. It gives a very nice warmth to the skin, especially if you're using the blue eyeshadows that we have in the palette. That bikini eyeshadow is so beautiful. Can we just say how good all of these eyeshadows blend on my eyes without a primer? They are so smooth. They look so diffused. I'm very impressed with the formula. This is my first Violet Voss palette. And I'm thinking also getting the Ride or Die palette. Let me know if you have a favorite Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. And now it's time to highlight my brow bone, which is always the first step for my eye makeup looks. And I will use a glowcomotyon shimmer highlighter and eyeshadow by W7. And you recommended this highlighter to me and I will use it today. I also want to do a makeup tutorial using only W7 makeup products. So if you want me to test something specific, let me know in the comments below. And also I will do a video using your favorite products that you always comment on my videos and I ask you and you comment. So don't feel that I don't read your comments. I do, and I will do a makeup tutorial about them. Okay, this shade looks very nice. My eyebrows are pathetic. Oh my god, they are the worst. I need to fill them in right now. So this is how the highlighter looks on my skin. It is a very light champagne color. It blended very nice on my brow bone. It didn't intensify my texture. And also I have some brow hair that I didn't remove and it still looks very nice. Time for brows now. So I will use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color medium brown. Let me know if you have a favorite brow product. I want something that it is a little bit waxy and that it can handle my eyebrow hair. Ooh, I should use my brow gel mascara first. I will use first my brow gel mascara on this eye. And I will let it dry and after that I will use the Brow Wiz. This is a very confusing makeup challenge. I was watching Laura Lee's makeup challenge that she did makeup in verse, which means when you're doing your contouring here, for that challenge you will do it on the other side, and I was like, oh my god, this is even more confusing. Okay, so I will apply now the Brow Wiz. Oh my god, that looks terrible. Okay, so I'm taking again the glowcomotyon highlighter. I will take E40 brush by Sigma. Let's take a little bit of this cutie pie. Ooh, oh, that looks nice. Okay, I like this highlighter. It has a golden sheen, which most of the times it doesn't look very nice on my skin tone. That's a new favorite highlighter. Tested in the makeup in reverse challenge. And I always apply some on the cupid's bow. I always apply powder products for my bronzer, blush and highlighter. And imagine what will happen after I apply my foundation. We are going to cry together. I like this very much. I found 2 products today that I love. Next please! this. Now I'm going to apply my blush. I will use the Coral Spectrum palette by Zoeva. I will use this brush by BH Cosmetics. This is number 3. And I will take these two colors here, CR20 and CR40, and smile and apply your blush. I have already a lot of redness here, so we will intensify that. Yes! Oh my god, I look like a clown. To contour my face, I will use this product by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Sun Glow Matte Bronzing Powder in color medium bronze with brush 109 by MAC. And let's, I applied a lot of powder. That's powdery, and I will just apply it. And that blends very nice. Ooh. I took it very far down. Surprisingly, this blends very nice on top of my skin. I have heat pan! I am always thinking about starting a project pan. Let me know if this is something that you want me to do. I will also start shop my stash videos because I want to make myself use more of my products. I use a lot of the same products all the time. And I will also apply some on my nose like I always do. I think I applied too much. Oops, what is this? Oh, my brush decided to die on me today. This powder blended very nice, guys. Must have drugstore. So now it is the sad part because I'm going to apply powder. I will use fixing powder by Artdeco Cosmetics, and I couldn't find it in that small cylinder packaging that I always buy it. So I bought this packaging. It is a little bit more expensive, but you also get this powder puff. And I will apply it with a flat powder brush by Essence. I have a review for Essence brushes. I will have it here if you want to see more brushes by Essence. Let's take some of this powder and I will set everything before I apply even foundation. That makes me sad. The fixing powder by Artdeco Cosmetics, it is one of the powders that I can use with all of my foundations, and if I do a mistake and I apply a little bit more, it will not make my skin flaky and I will not feel that my skin is tight, and that's why I love this powder. Perfection! Now the moment of truth, guys. Foundation and concealer. Concealer on top of powder. For concealer, I will use Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline because this is very creamy and I'm hoping that I will be able to blend it on top of my powder. Oh my god, do I have to use concealer on my eyelid too? I don't want to. Inhala, exhala. I like my eye look today, but I will do it. Oh, no! Bye bikini eyeshadow. Why am I doing this? How did I get here? Okay, I will blend it with my beauty blender. Oh my god, oh my god. I think I didn't apply a lot of powder, that's why it blended. My eyeshadows are gone. I think I didn't apply powder on my under eye area, that's why it is blending. I cheated again. My skin is getting tighter here. So let's continue with foundation and let's cover everything. I'm going to use this foundation here. This is the Dream Satin Liquid by Maybelline. This is the new formula that they have for this foundation. I have done a review about this foundation. I will have it here so you can see how it actually applies on the skin. I have also done a wear test so you can see if it is long lasting. My pump is broken, so what I do, I remove everything and I apply some of the product on the back of my hand and I will apply it with my Real Technique sponge. Let's cover everything. Bye bye highlighter. Bye bye contouring. This foundation looks amazing even on top of my powder. For oily skin, you can use fixing powder before you apply your foundation, but if you have dry skin like me, you don't want to do that. I like how my face makeup looks. It's not flaky. I'm so surprised, and I like this foundation a little bit more now. Everything is creasing with no powder. I didn't apply primer. I will use a Photo Finish Primer Water by Smashhbox. I have been using this for a while now as my primer. I don't use it as a setting spray. Oh my god, this eyebrow. I fixed it, guys. I couldn't see it like this. That looks way better than I thought it would be. Don't forget to check also Lizzie's video. I will link it in the description box below. If you want me to do any other makeup challenge, let me know in the comments below. You have requested a full face liquid highlighter and a liquid lipstick. I don't think I will do liquid lipsticks because my skin is very dry and I don't want to use liquid lipsticks on my eyes. No way. There is also another challenge that is starting now, the following a makeup tutorial with only audio. Let me know if you are interested in that makeup challenge. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. I have covered my beautiful bikini eyeshadow. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!